All right, take a look. Anna, take a look.
That color's sick. That's like perfect for the
Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Wow. What's up, fam? I hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. Finally, our Whipple has come back to the StangMode channel. We're so excited. We're headed to Evolution Performance to unbox what we got. The stage kit we got is stage 2, but we have the upgraded intercooler. We're gonna get the big 120 millimeter throttle body, and we have the upgraded open competition air boxes. But we're gonna check out all that. We're gonna make this dark horse super fast. We're gonna be racing everybody this fall, but we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna take our time, enjoy as a connoisseur of all things Mustang and supercharged. We're gonna unbox and showcase to you what we have that came from Whipple, and of course the Evolution Performance. Just want to thank you guys for your patience. Been kind of dormant a little bit because obviously I'm waiting on 2 big things. One, of course, was this Whipple, and 2 is on the news of our GTD, and if we're going to be getting one and accepted by Ford for one. So I've been in neutral, waiting to find out what to do as far as either getting new builds or, you know, putting all in for the GTD if it's coming my way or not. So I appreciate your patience and support. But let's start. The first thing we were waiting on was this Whipple, and I'm super excited to showcase it to you. The epic custom color we got too is going to be awesome. So guys, without further ado, let's head over to Evolution. Let's see what we got. Let's go. All right, so we are here in the lab at Evolution Performance, but I want to showcase to you guys, this is our engine bay. Beforehand, we have a custom color that we got with Evolution and Whipple, so our blower lip is not like anybody else has in the world. So here it is. Let's take a look and let's unbox and see what we got. So as you can see, this is a bone stock dark horse. Okay, not completely bone stock. We do have, and a big shout out to Cook's headers and AWE exhaust, stock suspension. We do have the wonderful, what are these, forged Apex wheels that we got here at Evolution. But what do I have here? This is the coup de grace. 3 boxes full of the latest and greatest from Whipple for the 24 Mustang. I'm gonna bring in right now a celebrity, the world's fastest dark horse car driver and also installer, Steve here at Evolution. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Good to see you. A long time. How's your summer been?
Great, dude. And getting ready for this cool weather, you know?
Yeah, and we're right in boost season. We've been waiting to showcase what this car can do. Let's unbox together, and you can tell us what's in the boxes. So, should we go right for the blower?
Yeah. Which one?
All right. I think the middle one.
Nope, that's not it.
All right. Now, door number 1 is closed. Well, we're gonna go through everything though together. All right. Take a look. Anna, take a look.
That color's sick. That's like perfect for the
Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Wow.
That is perfect. Oh my God.
So
That's like
Evolution sent this color out to Whipple, and they painted the blower custom color for this. And officially, we have now changed the name of this car to Thanos. You can see right here, this is the Infinity Gauntlet we have right here. Beautiful. This is a stage 2 kit. We're gonna go through the rest of the kit. 3-liter, 6th gen Whipple right here at Evolution Performance. If you have any interest in getting a kit like this or a setup like this, link in description. But Steve, go ahead. Tell me about the greatness of this kit.
I mean, 3.0 blower, great intercooler design, great inlet design, big throttle body. I mean, we know it makes power.
What kind of power are we talking here? Guessing, like estimates.
For you, probably like 900, maybe a little more.
Woo! All right.
Get some pulley going.
Dude, this looks amazing. And look, even the color is tremendous. And that's gonna actually look with how good it matches the wheels, guys. Now this does have a little brake dust on it, but you can see here that color combination just is gonna pop here. So there's our blower. Finally, it's here. Shout out to Evolution and Whipple. Now here's this is the stuff that's gonna help us go hopefully fast, if not as fast as the final boss, which is Evolution's car.
This is basically the rest of the kit, as far as like stock stuff.
Okay.
You got, you want to take it all out?
Yeah, we'll take it off. Don't worry, it's power of editing. So what I do understand is we got the open air boxes like you have in the final box.
Competition kit.
All right, we have the competition kit. Awesome.
Yeah, so that's your basic like 6-rib kit. That's all that's out right now.
All right, cool. And we're going to showcase to you guys, comment below if you have any questions. We're going to showcase the entire install. We have oil pump gears, all that good stuff. We're going to showcase to you here how Evolution does it and how they keep holding the records for all the fastest Mustangs in the world.
I know. So this is your standard heat exchanger.
Okay, so
the kit.
That's your standard stuff.
I'll pop over here.
Now, that's cute. But now with Evolution, yeah, that's how you rip it. This is going to keep our IATs down, our power up, and us gaptizing everybody who wants a chance. And you know me, I know about
nice
AATs.
Long highway pulls.
Yes.
So, as you can see,
Wow.
significantly thicker. Much bigger.
Look at that.
And then this also has
Bigger is better.
I think you can do 16
Gauge.
dash 16.
Oh, okay. Look at that.
Hoses on that. So if you do end up upgrading to like a ice tank or something like that.
Eventually, when tuning comes out, if you wanted to do upgraded everything, we have all the setup here.
It gives you a lot of headroom.
So Anna, you have upgraded intercooler. So that'll keep even on the track when you get those multiple pulls. So while he unboxes more stuff, I wanted to get your impressions.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
The piece is just perfect.
I have to do this is beautiful. And this all comes, you can order any custom color through Evolution and he will get it done for you. This is what also took us a little bit longer because you gotta be different. We don't want to just get black. We wanted to get this, so that is gonna be there. But again, we're gonna showcase to you the best ways to make your Mustang not just fast, but durable.
Also in this box we have the standard kit comes with one intercooler pump. So then you get upgraded dual pump, add a second pump.
Yes.
Relay harness.
Okay.
Just for more flow through the blower.
Wonderful.
What else we got?
So is this is officially a stage 2 kit?
Yeah, stage 2.
Okay.
And then obviously
the upgraded intercooler. Yeah.
Yep, heat exchanger.
Awesome. So this is actually the most up-to-date, greatest kit you can get. So like Steve said, we're looking for 900 wheel plus out of this. And as you can see by proof in the pudding, if you've been following, I'll put that clip up now. Evolution with their dark horse has already gone 950s. Our hope is to replicate that. Now this is on a special fuel blend only available at Evolution. We'll have that as well. But this is not custom tunable yet, but this is from the Whipple tune with optimization with, of course, we have the Cook's headers. We have all that good stuff coming on, but this is gonna be a beast and it's gonna be happy as well.
Yeah, well, I'll put the new solution on. Remember,
So far, so good. Let you guys know we're gonna have all this stuff. Comment below what videos you wanna see, what questions you do have. Like I said, we'll do the standard, we'll do the dyno, we'll do the quarter mile, but who you want me to race, but also what questions you have about the install, or anything I can answer, comment below. We'll have that content to come. Let's go to the next unboxing.
OCD, order samples, and
We went through like 20 different things.
We have a question for you guys who are watching. We're debating whether to keep these black as they come. I think it looks great. Or to actually match the calipers, which are, what's the color of them eventually called? Notorious blue. So should we keep them black or should we just have the Notorious blue to match the calipers? I know first world problems, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is gonna make Thanos 2.0 look amazing. But wow, this is gonna look great. Gonna look great. So we're gonna showcase you the throttle body, and now we do have a bigger throttle body coming.
Correct, yeah. So
But let's take a look at what we got here.
This is a 112. That's your standard stage.
Not
2.
bad. That's
Yeah,
good. But we're getting a what size are we having coming in?
120 is on the way.
120
Yes,
is coming. So this is your 112. This is not that it's not bad. This is still nice. It's gonna make plenty of power, but we want the big numbers.
Always.
You know, so we're gonna get the 120. So that's nice.
Your very controversial.
Ah, there we go. Now, we don't know yet. We're working on it. We might have a carbon fiber tube with the Whipple coming.
I've seen a couple with those.
Yeah, they look pretty good. Let's take a look at this. So basically what happens is a lot of people don't realize this is dual throttle body, but with the Whipple, it becomes a single, but you have the dual inlet. So this is how that's going to work. Hopefully we get a carbon fiber one and we can do that there. So looks pretty good. They're going to make one here that says StangMode going across. So that's exciting. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But it's going to look great. But yeah, we're going to go from a dual throttle body to a single and then but dual intake. So, and of course, we're also going to have really good oil pump gears. The whole install is going to come and we're going to see how that looks and go from there.
It is. It is.
It is pretty.
No one else has it. And if anyone messages and asks what color is it, I don't know.
I don't know. I just pointed at the color palette.
And at the end of this video, I want to showcase to you, if you're wondering what color this is to copy, this is a one of one, only from Evolution and Fred. So you can't copy StangMode, but if you want to have your custom color, they can get it together for you. But this is pretty cool. So much to do. We're back. We're boosted. We're going to have fun. Appreciate the support. Like and subscribe because you know it never ends. Peace.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Ready? Guys, it's here. StangMode, Evolution, and Whipple. It's finally happening. It is a trifecta of the century here. What's in this box is actually empty, but we're going to showcase to you what we have here. The new Whipple for the 24 Mustang, our dark horse, is here. We're going to take on all comers. We're going to unbox today, install, race. Let's go. All right.